Cornwall. We have a lot of corn. Yes. It's part of the things on the farm. It's a staple product on the farm. Nice little bull, you know? Corn time. Time for corn, you know. So my cousin come back, all this a cornfield, just pure cornfield right here. Yes, all this a calf. What's the age on the calf? December, yeah, 7 months, that's not bad. I'm nice, man, pretty calf. What? Man, nice calf, man. Make him color to you, not like one of the real cow. Cornfield, me say. Here in Cornwall, we have a lot of corn. Yes, it's part of the things on the farm. It's a staple product on the farm because you could blend in corn, use corn as a defense mechanism from the animals in case they get away, meaning just line your field with corn. Also help water your thing. Yeah, believe it or not, because you catch water from the rain and decipher it. Blend it in with your peanut, you can put it out on the outer skirt because, you know, give somebody something to eat. It's a quick crop. More corn on the farm. Up there on the hills we have some fields, cannabis sativa. This right here is a beautiful illustrious farm. Right here, this is my cocoa farm right here where my cousins telling me that we have around here. So, you know, the farm is everything, you know. Cocoa and everything, you know. Banana tree. You have pumpkin and them thing there. So every time you see I and I farming, then you know we I got this urge to farm, this interest to farm, this farming love, this savior mentality. You understand? So it's not like say, you know, I just came up with this farming thing like that. That easy, you know. It's in me. So this is what we do to survive most of the time, stay alive. You know, it's more life, more joy, more happiness. Corn is a staple product.